Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can fix Among Us black screen problem on iPhone. So if you're playing Among Us on your iPhone and it just consistently shows you black screen if you try to join a game, in that case most of the time it's your slow Wi-Fi that's causing the problem. So check your internet connection and your problem should be fixed. And the other issue could be that the game you're trying to join is a different server. So let's say you're trying to join your friend's game and the friend's game is on server called Asia. At the bottom right corner you can see a globe. It shows my server. My server is in North America. So since the game is in Asia, I'm not able to join due to me being on wrong server. So click on the globe and choose the server in which the game belongs to and then try to join the game. Your problem should be fixed. Even after doing that, your problem is still not fixed, then just close Among Us and reopen it again. Sometimes simply doing this fixes the problem, and if it's still not fixed, the last option is to just delete your Among Us app and re-download it again. Sometimes a simple bug causes the problem and deleting and reinstalling the app should fix it most of the time. So I hope you understand how you guys can fix Among Us black screen problem. Hit the subscribe to our channel, how to guide for future videos like this. I'll see you guys next time.